Hello children, this is Anita Tellur. Welcome back to my class. In the previous class, we have learned about what is multiplication and few of its properties. In this session, I am going to teach you few shortcut steps how to do multiplication and how multiplication is useful in our daily lives. Let us begin the class. Children, we have already known the definition of multiplication, is it not? Yes, it is simply a rapid way of adding the same number, that is repeated addition. What do you mean by multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Let us have multiplication by 10 and tens. What does it mean? To multiply a number by 10, add 0 at the end of the number. That is 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. 3 times 10, it means you have to add 10 3 times. When you add 10 3 times, you will get 30. Another way of doing this sum is 3 multiplied by 10. That is, first you need to multiply the numbers. 3 ones are 3 and the 0 you have to put at the right end. Same way, 18 multiplied by 10 is equal to 118. You need to multiply 18 with 1. 18 ones are 18. The remaining 0 you have to place at the right end. To multiply a number by tens, multiply the number of and add 0 at the end of the number. In this example, see 5 multiplied by 20. Here you have to split up this 20 as 2 multiplied by 10. So 2 multiplied by 10 means 20. 5 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 10. So we will get 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. Multiplication by 100 and hundreds. To multiply a number by 100, add 2 zeros at the end of the number. In the previous example, we have done what you have done. There we have added 1 zero at the end of the number by multiplying the digit by 10 or tens. Here we are multiplying a number by 100, so you have to add 2 zeros at the end of the number. Let us have an example. 5 multiplied by 100. You need to multiply 5 with 1. 5 ones are 5 and remaining 2 zeros placed at the right side. Same way, 45 multiplied by 100. 45 ones are 45 and remaining zeros you have to put at the right end. Same way you have to follow the next example. Multiplication by 3-digit numbers. Multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. How to do this? First example, multiply 152 by 3 with regrouping. Okay, first you have to write the given numbers under the place values correctly. The given data is 152. It is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier. In the first session, we have discussed what is multiplicand and multiplier. What do you mean by multiplier? The number with which we multiply is called multiplier. Okay, let us solve this example. Children, when I am explaining, please you to take out your notebook and pencil and solve the problem along with me so that you can understand easily. Okay. First, we need to place the given numbers in the respective place values correctly. 1 is placed at 100 place, 5 is placed at 10's place, 2 is placed at 1's place and multiplier is placed as in 1's place. First, you multiply 3 with 2, then 3 with 5, then 3 with 1. Here I am showing you step by step. The first step, multiply 3 with 2. 3 2s are 6. In the second step, 3 5s are 15. 5 I have placed here and 1 will be given carry at the 100 place. Step 3. 3 ones are 3 and plus carry 1. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 will be 4. So we will get the product 456. Hope I am clear to you. Let us have few more examples. 145 multiplied by 3. What will be the product? Let us see. 3 5s are 15. 5 we have to place at the ones place. Carry will be given at the tens place. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 3 placed at the tens place and 1 will be given carry at the 100 place. 3 ones are 3 plus carry 1. It will be 4. So we will get the answer 435. Next example, 273 multiplied by 6. What is the multiplier here? 6. So let us start doing the multiplication by 6 with all 3 digits. 6 3s are 18. Carry will be placed at the tens place. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 1 43. So 4 will be placed at the 100 place as carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 16. And 1 will be given carry at the 1000 place. Okay. So 1 as it is you have to keep. You will get the product 1638. 124 multiplied by 2. What will be the answer? You will get 248. Let us solve the example. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Is it clear? 314 multiplied by 2. What will be the answer? Let us solve this. 314 multiplied by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Hope I am clear to you. Let us do 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Multiply 546 with 18. You will get the product 9828. Dear children, this is little bit complicated, so listen to me carefully, then you do it by yourself. First we need to place the given numbers in the respective place values correctly. 546. 5 is placed at 100 place, 4 is placed at tens place, 6 is at ones place and 18 is the multiplier. 8 is placed at ones place, 1 is placed at the tens place. Here first you have to take first digit of the multiplier is 8. You have to multiply 8 with 6, 8 with 4, 8 with 5. Here I am doing step by step. Carefully observe here. 8 6 are 48. So 4 is placed at the tens place as carry. Okay. Next, 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4 will be 36. 6 is placed at the tens place. 3 is given power at the 100 place. Next, 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 3 will be 43. This is the first row of the result. Next, you have to do multiplication of second multiplier. That is, second digit of the multiplier is 1. When you are doing with this, you need to place here 0 or you have to leave this place as empty. Okay. This is the first row of the result. Let us do the multiplication by 1 with these 3 digits. 1 6 are 6, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5. You need to add these two rows. 8 plus 0 will be 8, 6 plus 6 is 12, 2 is placed at the tens place and 1 is given carry at the 100 place. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 will be 8, 4 plus 5 is 9. So we will get the product as 9828. Hope I am clear. Let us see the next example. Multiply 456 by 11. First, we have to take the first digit of the multiplier 1. Multiply 1 with 6, 5, 4. 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 1 4 are 4. Okay, this is your first row of the result. Second, when you are multiplying with the second multiplier, you have to place here 0 or put the symbol. Then 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 1 4 are 4. You have to add this. 6 plus 0 will be 6. 6 plus 5 is 11 and given carry at the 100 place. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 5 will be 10. 1 is given carry at the 1000 place. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So we will get the result 5016. Hope I am clear to you. Children, I would like to give you some shortest tricks. It is just for your knowledge. Okay, try to solve this. Whatever you have done till now, that is the traditional way of learning multiplication. Okay, just for your knowledge purpose, I am giving you some hints or shortest methods how to do multiplication. Look at here. 12 4s are 48. If you are perfect in the multiplication table, quickly you will answer. Is it not? Yes. Let us solve this example. 12 multiplied with 4. Here 4 is the multiplier. 4 2s are 8. Okay. 4 1s are 4, but 1 is at the tens place. Is it not? 2 is at 1's place. 1 is at the tens place. So 4 2s are 8. 4 tens are 40. So 40 plus 8 is 48. Next, 12 multiplied with 13. What will be the answer? If you follow the traditional way of multiplication method, let us see. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. This is first row of the result. When you are doing with second multiplier, here we need to place symbol addition or 0 or keep it as empty. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So we will get the answer or the product as 156. What is the shortest methods to do this? Let us see here. Look at here. I have drawn the arrow mark how to do the multiplication. 3 2s are 6. Second step, cross multiplication. This is called crisscross method. Okay. 3 1s are 3. 1 2s are 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Next, 1 1s are 1. So you have to place 1 at the 100 place, 5 is at the tens place, and 6 at the ones place. Hope I am clear to you. 3 digit by 2 digit. 123 is multiplied by 24. What will be the answer? 2952. Just look at the arrow marks and start doing multiplication by yourself. 4 3s are 12. Okay, 1 is given carry at the tens place. Next step. 2 4s are 8 plus 2 3s are 6. 8 plus 6, what will be the result? It will be 14. 14 plus carry 1 is 15. So again 5 you have to place here and 1 is at the 100 place. Step 3. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then next, look at the arrow mark here. 2 1s are 2. So quickly you have got the result. So how to place this? We need to place 2 at the 1000 place, 9 at the 100 place, 5 at the tens place and 2 at the ones place. So we'll get 2952. Hope. Let us know what are the applications of multiplication in our daily lives. Multiplication is very useful in our everyday life, is it not? For example, billing, traveling, etc. For example, when you are traveling with your friends in a public transport like bus or metro, you need to buy multiple tickets, is it not? So there we need to do multiplication. That is, for one ticket it is 12 rupees. Okay, you are traveling with your 2 friends, so totally we have to take 3 tickets. So for one ticket it is 12. So 3, what is the cost? 12 3 is a 36. So you have to pay 36 rupees to them. Okay, hope I am clear to you. Let us solve this example. A parking stand for bicycle can hold 26 bicycles. Once again I will repeat it. A parking stand for bicycle can hold 26 bicycles. How many bicycles can be kept in 120 such stands? What is the given data here? Number of stands are 120 and number of bicycles held in each stand is 26. So we have to multiply these two numbers, that is 120 multiplied by 26, you will get 3120. Let us solve this. Here we need to place the given numbers in the place values correctly. 1 is placed at 100 place, 2 is at 10's place, 0 at 1's place, and multiply 26, 6 is placed at 1's place, 2 is placed at 10's place. First you have to multiply with the first digit of the multiplier is 6. So start with 1's place. 6 zeros are 0, 6 2's are 12, carry is given at the 100 place. 6 1's are 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, we have got first row of the result as 720. When you are doing with second multiplier, here you have to place at the 1's place 0 or put the symbol. 2 zeros are 0, 2 2's are 4, 2 1's are 2. So you have to add these two rows. 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 4 is 11 and carry 1 is placed here, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will get the product as 3120. Hope I am clear to you. Let us have small glance on multiplication, what and all we have learnt in this chapter. What is multiplication, what is multiplicand, and what are the properties of multiplication and how to solve the word problems. Is it not? Yes. Hope I am clear to you. You have understood the concept. So try to solve the problems by yourself. Okay. Thank you so much.